Today, we are going to talk about the academic places and academic challenges a student will face these challenges while going for studying abroad. Today, we have our friend, Mr. Paul here with us. Hello, my friend.
Yeah, hello. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine, bro. And you?
I'm fine. I'm Imran from Afghanistan.
Yeah, I'm Paul Zakaria from Nigeria.
Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about Nigeria?
Yeah, Nigeria is one of the countries located in the West Africa. It has the largest population in the whole African continent. It's an oil-producing country, and it's also have the highest economic when you compare it to the other African countries, and it has English as one of its official languages.
Okay, thank you. So now I got to know a little bit about Nigeria also. So how did you find India?
India, even when I was growing up, I have the vibe of coming to study in India, because due to the way I was watching their movie and all those things, I was seeing them as it's a nice place to come so that I can come and study here and all those things. So that is how I grew up and have an interest of coming to India. But I come to India through an agent.
Okay, that's cool. So let's talk about the challenges that a student would face in a university if you're a new admission and going for the first time in a college abroad. What are the academic challenges that you have faced so far here in this college?
Like me, the academic challenge I've been facing is due to the fact that I come from a different academic area. Coming here, it was not easy to adopt the way they talk. Even their accent was a little bit difficult, and the language, the culture, the environment and everything was entirely different from where I'm coming from. So it was a little bit challenging, and even the way they conduct exam and all those things, it was different from the one I know. So here is a little bit tough than back there in Nigeria.
The challenges that you would face in another country going for studies. First, the way they teach is different from your country. The way they give exam is different from your country. Educational differences is the main challenge that you will face. Okay, let's see what are the cultural differences, challenges that you face so far.
Coming here, the culture itself is entirely different, because back there our culture is different from here. Even the food is different, because back there we are non-vegetarians. Coming here is a vegetarian country. Most they eat the vegetarian food and all those things, but we back there we eat the non-veg. Coming here, like even the religious activities is different from the one we know and all those things. It's not easy adapting to their culture and all those things. And here, even the way they take care of their ladies and the way the entire environment is different from the one you know. So the cultural differences it has a very vast distance. So it's not easy you adopting to the culture just easily.
The next challenge that the students are facing in another country going for studies is the challenge of the culture, the religion, your beliefs, the way you pray, the language you speak, language challenges. These are all the things that you would face. And the only way to overcome these challenges, to adapt easily in an environment, is to learn language. And the most common language and worldwide language is English. Try to follow our classes and improve your English proficiency so you can adapt easily if you are going abroad for studies. Let me ask the final question, Mr. Paul. What opportunities that the student may find abroad rather than their home country?
There is this scenario for every country that says maybe you going out there and when you come back you'll be treated or given more preferential treatment than those doing the same education back there in your country, because this motive that you coming back because you've gone there and see different thing and you are bringing another different aspect entirely. So you might have a better chance of maybe getting a job over there in your country and all those things. So going out, it has opportunities, Though everything has disadvantage and it also has advantage, but you just weigh your distance. If the advantage countersede the disadvantage, so it's better for you just to go somewhere, maybe study and come back to your own country.
Thank you. See, and the last point, if you're pursuing your studies abroad and if you're planning to pursue your studies abroad, whether it's bachelor studies, master or PhD, you will learn many new things besides your academic studies. You will learn about the culture of the country, about the food, the local language. You will learn. These are the opportunities that help you enhance your understanding of other countries. Moreover, and finally, achievement that you would get and receive from studying abroad is that your background would be strengthened after your graduation, and that is how you would be a successful person in your life after your studies. Thank you for watching English for Success videos. For more videos and upcoming videos, please subscribe our channel, comment your questions, your queries, or anything that you want to ask us about your academic life or any grammar point that you want me to cover and teach you. Comment them. I will cover them in next class. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead and do not forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you.